I don't know if you can hear that, but I'd swear I hear some pretty good ticking in there. I don't know. And we're still not at 14 volts. It's been running for a while. You hear that? You hear that? I don't have my hand on the... I didn't have my hand on it. It's still running high. That's weird. It took off. It's running at a real high idle. That's weird. Something's wrong. We'll see what happens. Oh, hi y'all. I'm Chase, and I'm thinking I'm having some issues with my Pan Am again. Let's see when I pull in the clutch up here. It's still running at a high idle. Look at that. I have the clutch completely pulled in. Yeah, that's not right. Now I got it on video. I'm going to come to a dead stop. I'm in first gear. Clutch is pulled all the way in. Look at that. And this thing's warmed up. It's at 180 degrees. It's still running at a high idle. Something feels off. That's all right. I'm going right to the dealership now, so we'll see what happens. I've just been having issue after issue. It's charging at 14.1 volts now. I don't know what the deal is. I mean, I let it sit and warm up. It was definitely warm when I stopped there, but it's still running at a high idle, and I wish I could tell you why. Normally, once you pull in the clutch and you start moving, and then you pull in the clutch again, it drops the idle down. That's usually why when I'm moving it out of my driveway, I don't touch the clutch, or when I'm moving it out of my garage, actually, I don't touch the clutch, because if you touch the clutch, it lowers the idle, and the bike takes way longer to warm up. So now see, it's still idling high. It's weird. I don't know what it is. I don't like it. I know that much. I don't like how high the idle's set. For some reason, and it wasn't doing this when I was on my last trip. This is after I've had the updates. So yeah, something's not right. Something is obviously wrong. Very wrong. I think I'm just going to cut it off here. I don't know. I don't know what the heck is going on. Man, it's like the last two updates have just destroyed it. It's like, I don't know. Whoever wrote the code sucks. Because before I got the update in June, and the last update, I was having like no issues whatsoever. So yeah, I don't know what it is that's doing this, but I'm now suddenly having issues. So ever since June, and the last issue I had before this current update that was in August, it was like 2 days after the update came out. My bike went haywire through about 15, 20 codes. I don't even know. I stopped counting. It was like 15. I'm pretty sure it was between 15 and 20 codes. It just threw it. It just threw them at me like it was going out of style. We're gonna see what's going on when I get to the dealership. It's getting to be a little bit like, I don't know, madness. So, all right, we'll see in a little bit when I find out what's going on. Yeah, I hate this kind of stuff because it's electrical gremlin shit, and I hate cussing, but man, it's annoying and frustrating, let's say. Very, very annoying, very, very frustrating. Just, yeah. Well, let's see if it throws any codes when I get on the freeway, because it's been prone to do that lately. Don't know why, but for some reason, getting on the freeway, it tosses a code or two. Well, I don't see any codes. That's nice, not bad. I can live with that. No codes. Well, we'll see when we get to the dealership. Yeah, I don't know. It's really starting to get annoying. All right, they are coming to pick it up on Tuesday. They are down to a single tech now. Yeah, I don't know. I was sitting there watching this, and after I started it, and yeah, it gets flopping around. Now it's going up to 14.2. I haven't seen this thing hit 14.2 in a very long time. Ever since I got that last, well, the update I got in June, and even before that, it was only running 14.1 tops. I just watched it go up to 14.2, 14.3, and then drop all the way back down to 13.3. So I don't know what's going on. I'm pretty sure it's a charging issue. I don't know what it is. It's maddening at this point. It's really starting to kind of, I don't know, piss me off. So I guess that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, click that ding, leave me notified of any videos I'm coming out with. If you guys have a Pan Am, let me know if you are experiencing the same issues. And the other thing is, oh, before I go, I have been having a high idle issue. I don't know what it is. It's, yeah, I couldn't tell you. So, all right, bye y'all.